Okay, people, I'm on my bike ride. I've made it up into Little Cottonwood quite a bit. Let me show you. I'm going to raise this up. Let me show you. That's that side of the road. Look how steep it is. Okay, let me unclick here so I don't fall on my head, because I have several times. Let me show you. Well, I just wanted to share. This is my Little Cottonwood. That's the valley down there. I'm probably 13 miles in to my ride. I just wanted to share it with you guys. You guys all have a great day. Be safe. Ciao. Let me squeeze this down. Peace, man. See ya.